All right, today we're doing a couple Ducati lost key replacements. Right now I'm working on this one right here on the right. It's going to be a Ducati 2016 821 Monster. This one on the left is going to be a 2015 821 Hyper Motard. So basically, plan of action, I'm going to take the key blanks, decode the locks, figure out what the cuts are, make sure they're working nice and smooth, program the chip data into the system, and the bike will start. So I'll work on this one right now. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, this puppy is done. Here we go. Key one, on, off. On, off, and park. Let's see, this one's working. Yep. So what I did with this one is I made the keys exact. It wasn't working as smooth as I wanted it to, so I had to factor in wear and tear. So what I mean by that is, let's say you got your cuts are, let's make it simple, 1, 2, 3. Let's say my first position might be worn down to 1.25, second one might be worn another half or more. The locks are going to have wear and tear, so the wafers are not going to be exact. That's why some of you, if y'all ever went to the dealers or wherever y'all get these keys cut by code or whatever, and they don't work correctly, it's because you're using a brand new key in a used lock. The parts in the locks are used, and you're trying to use a new key like the lock's brand new. It ain't going to work out right. So what I do is I factor in the wear and tear, making sure that my keys go back nice and smooth. That way it'll work the gas cap, it'll work the seat lock like it's supposed to. That's about it. You need my help, give me a call or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. I'll tell you, if you give me a call, I'll tell you what it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. That's basically just those of you that's having trouble finding people, here you go. Motorcycles that are equipped with transponder systems are not normal locksmith training. This is all specialized. You may run into a lot of locksmiths that make keys to motorcycles, but they make the keys to the bikes without the chips. The ones with the chips is all special training. Like the first one I did was, I want to say early 2000s, late 90s, was a ST2. That's when I was like, wow, bikes got chips in them now, and I had to start my training way back and start learning how to do all this stuff. But I've been doing this for a minute. If you look at the YouTube channel, look at some of my videos, go back, you can see some of my videos go back probably at least 10 years, just to give you an idea how long I've been doing it, what I do. If you want to send your units to me, that's fine. If you don't, just make sure you ask the right questions, because if you get the right person that don't know what they're doing, they'll mess up your units. And people do send me these units. I don't take videos on it, but they do send me units that are messed up. Data has been corrupted because the person didn't know what they was doing, and I have to send it back. And those of you who have already did the research, you'll know what it's about to cost that person for having a messed up dashboard or someone not being able to know what they're doing. So I'm gonna leave it like that. All you mechanics that send me jobs, I appreciate y'all. Used car guys that send me jobs and used car motorcycle dealers, I appreciate y'all too. And all the rest of you, I appreciate y'all for watching, and until next time.